Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to invest in Nifty 50 index. So once you have opened your trading app, whether it is Zerodha or Grow or Upstocks or any other trading app, you need to go to your watch list and use the search feature in order to add the Nifty 50 index. Okay, so go to the search and simply type Nifty 50 and you will get an option just like this which says indices right here, and you need to add it or simply use tick mark on Zerodha here. Okay, so it will be added just like this. Now you can see there are two index added, Nifty Bank and Nifty 50. Now we want to invest in Nifty 50. So if I click here on the Nifty 50 here, you won't see add or sell option, right? Because it's an index fund and you cannot directly invest in it. So Nifty 50 is a index of top 50 companies, right? So in order to invest in Nifty 50, you need to invest in ETF, which is known as exchange traded funds, which normally follows the Nifty 50. So if it is going up, then the ETF will also be going up. So if Nifty 50 is negative, then ETF, that is exchange traded funds, will also go into the negative range. Okay, so the most popular ETF for Nifty 50 is Nifty Bees. So again, use the search feature and type Nifty Bees. Now you'll see two options, that is for NSE and BSE. Now most people are trading on NSE also, NSE only. Okay, so I'm going to simply add it here in my list and it will be added at the bottom. Now you can see Nifty Bees. Okay, so right now it is minus 0.86% in the, it is in the negative today because the market is negative, and you can see Nifty 50 is also minus 0.88%. Okay, so if Nifty 50 goes up, then this Nifty Bees will also go up. If that is if Nifty 50 goes down, then it will go down. So over a long period of time, you must have noticed that Nifty 50 goes up. Okay, it went up to like 19 or 20,000, I don't remember exactly, from like 12 13,000 or 2 years back. So overall you can see how it has increased over a period of time. So if you are looking for a long term, then you can simply invest in the Nifty Bees. I will also show you the graph here. Now you can see this is a graph for the 1 year. You can see that it was trading at around 110. Now it has increased to, it went up to 220 or something like that. So if you are investing in Nifty Bees, then it will surely follow the trend of Nifty 50 and you can book a good profit here. Now you can purchase as many units as you want. Just like other shares, you can use the buy option here and you can simply enter the quantity and you can purchase it with the available amount that you have in your Zerodha app or any other app. So this is how you can invest in Nifty 50. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Thank you.